Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to check screen time on iPhone and iPad. So first launch setting on your device. Now scroll down and tap on screen time. You will find this option here. Now now tap on see all website and app activity. App and website activity. Now tap on turn on website activity. Tap on app and website activity. Now on the next page you will see your screen time for today. You can switch to the week tab to view usage stat for previous days or any. You can see weeks, you can see today's or any day. The graph will display how much time you spend using your iPhone each day. Scroll down to find a list of apps along with the time spent on each. You can find. If you want to add a limit to any app, you can add it from here. So so that's it. That's how you'll enable screen time in your iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.